Excuse me, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Samaria Johnson.
I didn't really come out. Like when I hear young people talking about, I gathered everybody in the living room. Excuse me, I have something to say.
Y'all calling me crazy when a bitch been falling over like crazy.
I asked a hard question.
Do you think I'm an alcoholic? If I only freeze my head, is it like cheaper?
It is cheaper.
It's a broke people thing to only freeze your head.
That's right.
We are a hot wife/cuckold couple.
Y'all want some eyes wide shut shit. I'm a lesbian, obviously. We don't have no kids, but I got a cat. Could I like leave my car to my cat?
You can.
That's cool.
Crazy, gotta go crazy.
My brother, he got locked up, he was 18. He came out of jail, a dude that loves pepperoni sticks now and wearing his phone on his belt.
He could feel just as uncomfortable around you as you do around him.
As a gay person, I do check if a place is gay friendly. I don't want to be overseas breaking all the rules because I'm holding my bitch hand and I'm like, whoa, whoa, whoa.
If we present what we are, which is messy, because
Y'all calling me crazy when a bitch been falling over.
we're messy,
All bets are off.
dope. And if you show all of it, you leave room for everybody. But I just like bitches and hanging out with my homies. That's a whole nother episode. I'm from Boston, bro. I've been around the whitest of whites. What's the wine expert called?
Sommelier.
Sommeliers. Like, I'm that of crackers.